Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up call forwarding on RingCentral to redirect incoming calls, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in to your RingCentral account using your web browser or open the RingCentral app on your desktop or mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to settings by clicking on your profile icon or accessing the menu. Look for call handling or phone settings options. Step 3. Select call forwarding or call flip from the available call handling features in the settings menu. Step 4. Choose the forwarding option that suits your needs, such as forwarding all calls, forwarding when busy, or forwarding when there is no answer. Step 5. Enter the phone number where you want calls to be forwarded. This can be a mobile number, landline, or another extension within your organization. Step 6. Set up rules and conditions for call forwarding, such as specific business hours, ring duration before forwarding, or forwarding based on caller ID. Step 7. Test the call forwarding setup by having someone call your RingCentral number. Verify that calls are properly redirected to the designated forwarding number. Step 8. Adjust settings as needed through the app or admin portal. You can enable or disable call forwarding at any time, create multiple forwarding rules, or set up simultaneous ring to multiple devices. Use the RingCentral mobile app to quickly toggle call forwarding on and off while on the go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.